Hello guys, el día de hoy estuvimos trabajando con nuestro libro page number 101, 101, como ustedes quieran decirles, and we have to talk about how we can stay safe from the sun, okay? Cómo podemos estar protegidos del sol, and we have to color the kids that are protected. Who are staying safe from the sun? ¿Cuál de ellos está protegiéndose del sol? We have to color it. Any color, just let's color each kid if they are getting protected from the sun. Okay, that's the work that we did today. Okay, page 101. And remember, we talk about how do you stay safe in the sun. This is the work. Esto fue lo que hicimos. Remember, just color it. And we talk about it in class. Some of the kids told me, like, we can get protected using sunglasses, using a hat, using some other stuff to get protected, like a long sleeve t-shirt. We can use that too. Una camisa de manga larga para protegernos. We can use that too. Bueno, esto fue lo que hicimos el día de hoy. Nos vemos el día de mañana, tomorrow, Tuesday. See you later, guys. Bye bye.